again. It is my 30th birthday tomorrow, and we are heading down to Disney for a long weekend. Today is Thursday, and we are flying out this evening, and then we are going to be down in Florida until Monday afternoonish, and then we're flying home. This is another adult trip. I think in our last vlogs we had said that was going to be our last adult trip before we take our son, but we ended up getting really good flights and just deciding to do a little weekend getaway, just the two of us. Yeah, we lied. We essentially lied. This wasn't the plan though. It was actually supposed to be a cruise first, and then we changed that to Disney because value-wise Disney just made a little bit more sense. Sorry, it's very loud. We're passing a big truck. So we're heading down. We're going to do all 4 parks on this trip, and we're going to do some park hopping. So we're going to split 2 days and do all 4 parks, and then we have a day in between that we are going to Disney Springs. We are going to try out Summer House on the Lake, which is the new restaurant that just opened down there, and I'm super excited. That is going to be for my birthday lunch kind of, and we're going to do some shopping. We are also going to be meeting up with Brandon's family while we're down there and doing Epcot and Hollywood Studios with them, so that'll be really cool. We have quite a bit planned. We have Redemption this time for Magic Kingdom. Last time we went, we did not do very many of the rides. We did some other stuff and we watched Happily Ever After. This time we're going to try to get on everything. And we're going to Animal Kingdom for the first time since 2022, I think. We didn't go last time we went. We did the other 3 parks instead. But this time we're going to Animal Kingdom bright and early tomorrow morning so that we can ride Dinosaur on my birthday. This is my favorite. And it might be going away. I don't know. We don't know yet. But there's been talk that they're going to change it to Indiana Jones. I don't know. That's speculation, but I will be super sad if it goes away. But anyway, I needed to ride it on this trip just in case. So, lots of stuff planned. We're bringing you along. We're flying in tonight, like I said, and we're staying at Art of Animation, which is not where we usually stay. So I think what we'll do is check back in once we've arrived there. We'll do a quick little room tour, and then we are going to bed, and we will get you guys all set up for our Animal Kingdom, Magic Kingdom split vlog tomorrow. We will come back when we are down in Florida. So for you guys, it's gonna be super quick. For us, it's gonna be several hours. 1, 2, 3, go. All right, we're in Florida. We are at Art of Animation. We just arrived. And we're taking the very long walk to our 4th floor Little Mermaid room in the back of the resort. So it's gonna be a minute. Okay, so you might be wondering, why are you guys staying at Art of Animation? Because we are usually at Pop Century if we can be. And the answer is that we couldn't be because Pop is sold out completely. In fact, all of Disney World is basically sold out right now. We got very lucky getting this room, but Brandon's parents actually booked a room over at Caribbean Beach for a couple days from now, and weren't sure if they'd get anything because like when you would go online, there was absolutely no rooms available anywhere. So we got lucky with this. It was a little cheaper than usual. We don't usually book here because it has the same benefits as Pop, but it's a little bit more expensive. But I must say the theming's really cool. We're walking through Nemo right now. It's really cool. I'm gonna do a quick little room tour when we get there, just because it's different than normal. And then we're gonna go to bed because we're both really tired. And yeah, it's a long trek to get here. So, room tour coming up now. Nope, mine doesn't work. There we go. Ooh. Hey Disney, start the magic.
Say it again. No, that's muted.
Oh. No, it says to press that button.
It was on though, now it's off.
Oh, I get it. Hey Disney, start the magic. Hey Disney. Hey Disney, start the magic. Hey!
Hi, I'm Margaret, and I'm excited to introduce you to our in-room interactive experience, Hey Disney.
We made it to our room. So we're in here, it's Little Mermaid themed, and the layout is similar to Pop and the All-Star resorts. But we've already noticed one thing that's different, which is that there's no little end tables. Like there's one there in the center of the beds, but there's not any on this side. And I guess like I'm not used to having this double bed like this because we're used to it being like a Murphy bed and a table in Pop. So that is definitely a little bit different than we were expecting. But let me show you the rest. We have this curtain here instead of a, is there a slider door at the other ones? Or is it just nothing?
You have no fridge.
We also have no fridge. Just kidding, there is a fridge behind these fake drawers in the bureau, so you get to have the fridge and lose 3 drawer spaces. Awesome. Woo! So this is the little vanity, which is not, it's not like at Pop Century. I don't have my beautiful magical mirror lighting like I do there for my makeup, so that's a little sad. There's no closet for our stuff. So usually right here is like a whole closet unit when we stay at Pop and stuff, and that's usually where we hang the toiletries. I guess we have this whole rack here, but definitely a little bit different than I thought. It does have an iron, which is good because I do need this for my dress for Saturday. I need to press the seam on it on the bottom where I hemmed it. Anyway, I'm just glad that they have this. Over here we have the toilet shower room, which has a curtain instead of a glass door. And then this is the, oh, this is cool. That looks cool. It's very themed in here. It's so much more themed, I feel, than even like the other ones that we've been staying in. But anyway, this is the dresser in the front here. And then like, this is the only like set of storage area like that we have. And then there's like a little table that's over on the side here, but yeah, we've got cute little decor. We've got Prince Eric up over here on the wall, and then Flounder and Sebastian. And then on the headboards, we've got the little seahorses. Those are cute. But yeah, I mean, it's really cute. Oh, this mirror especially is very cute. I guess overall though, I'm a little surprised that this room is a little bit less updated than at Pop and at even All-Star Music, where we stayed last time, and our room was like all redone and looked kind of similar to Pop. This room is definitely more dated. They've obviously done a great job with the theming. It's very cute, but technology-wise, it's not as updated. And I think convenience-wise, it's not quite as there as the other ones, which to me is kind of wild because this resort is considerably more money to stay at than across the water. We are like almost dead even to where we stayed at Pop Century one year. We stayed at in the 50s area, and we're like right across from there here at Art of Animation. And I just feel like they're so comparable almost in quality. I just don't understand how this resort's that much more. They also both share the Skyliner station, which is a huge part of why we like to stay over here, is because of the Skyliner. So if you're at Pop, you're gonna also get the Skyliner. Like, that is a huge plus. You're not losing that. I don't know. I mean, obviously I explained Pop was sold out, so this is why we're here. But yeah, I mean, it's cool to get a new experience and a new type of room, but definitely are lacking on some of the things that we really love in the other rooms. So just an honest review here. So it's like 11:15 at night. Brandon just hopped in the shower. I am going to unpack a few of my things and get them kind of situated. And then I am also going to shower, and then we are going to head straight into bed because we were both super tired. It was kind of a trek to get here. There was a lot of traffic coming in and stuff. It took a while to get from the airport to here. And we never come in this late. We're usually at Disney like midday and like going down to Disney Springs and stuff. So it's weird to get here so late at night, but it'll be fine because tomorrow morning we are heading to Animal Kingdom. And we are going there bright and early, first thing in the morning. We're gonna do Animal Kingdom for half of the day up until about lunchtime. And then we're going to head over to Magic Kingdom, and we will be at Magic Kingdom from then until close, which is at like 11 tomorrow. So we will be at Magic Kingdom for a huge chunk of tomorrow. We're so excited to do both parks. And then after that, we have a Disney Springs day, like I said, and then we have Hollywood Studios and Epcot on our last day, which will be a crunch because both of those parks require a lot to get done. So that is gonna be like crunch day for sure, but it'll be so fun. We're really excited. If you liked the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you wanna see more of our travel content, which is essentially just Disney content at this point. So if you like our Disney content, definitely subscribe because you're gonna see more of it for sure in the future. And thank you all again so much for watching. We'll see you all in the next one. Bye.